Friends, welcome to Money Mint channel. I wish you advancedly Happy New Year 2022. Today we are going to discuss about how to make 1 crore in next 5 years to 10 years. It's depend on risk ability and investment ability. It's depend on these two factors and global events also. You have to remember that. Before discussing about that, we have to remember the great persons, Mr. Warren Buffett, if you are, and Mr. Rakesh Junjunwala, and some other people also there. These two are so much familiar. These people made thousands of crore money by investing in long term. These people will do they will do long term investments like 10 years, 20 years, like that, by with conviction, and before investing they will do lot of study, like that. So I suggest new investors that please invest in long term stocks with long term horizon. Don't do for short term trading kind of things for to make a big money. If you do long term investments, you can make good wealth in long term, like 5 to 10 years, like that. And same time you have to remember few things, like you should not get greed and fear, because we will see so many good and bad events in next 10 years. But overall I am believing Indian growth in next 10 years. Next 10 years will be going to be, it's very big for India. That's the reason I am telling you that please believe in India growth. And we can see so many fluctuations in share prices, either up or down, because of the global events and domestic events also. So we can see so many fluctuations in share prices, either up or down. By seeing that, we should not get fear. We have to utilize dips so that we will get benefit over long term. At same time you have to monitor your portfolio once in a week, so that we will get to know how to adjust, like that. And if you get more than 50% returns in particular stock in short term, like 3 to 6 months, you have to book profit. We should not get grade like that, 100%, 200%, like that. It happens only in penny stocks. So that I advise my investors, you have to allocate 10% of your capital for penny stocks to get additional benefit, to achieve minimum 35% to 40% CAGR in long term. Otherwise, if we trade in options, instead of losing in trading options, just put it in penny stocks. You can observe, you can see so many examples for that. I will explain about those stocks in another video, which made recently. If you observe Brightcom Group and Tata Teleservices Limited, which made extraordinary returns. BCG, Brightcom Group, went from 10 rupees to 180 rupees. TTML also went from 5 rupees to, right now it's almost 200 rupees. This kind of examples are there for penny stocks, not all the stocks. Now I am going to discuss about two plans for two kind of investors. First I am going to discuss about first plan. This strategy is for big investors, like who is getting 1 lakh salary above. They can invest 50,000 per month. It's not a big deal, which either 50,000 per month or 6 lakh per annum. I am suggesting you that if you start in 2022 January, every month if you put 50,000 in stock investments, it will become 6 lakhs end of the 2023. If we assume if we get 40% returns in 6 lakh, it will become 8 lakh 40,000. In next year you have to add 1 lakh additional to your capital. Like in 2022 23 you made 6 lakh. In 24, 23, 24 you have to add additional 1 lakh, so that it will become 7 lakh plus previous returns, which is 8,40,000, plus fresh investment of 7 lakh, which is 15,40,000. Same like if you make 40% return, it will become 6,60,000. If total returns plus actual investment, which is 21,56,000. If you do same like in 2025 also, you have to additionally 1 lakh, which is 8 lakh plus 21,56,000. So if you apply this formula, you can achieve 1 crore 12,75,000. You have to exclude taxes also. If we exclude tax also, we will get and 1 crore easily by end of 2027 to 28. This is one formula who can invest 50,000 per month regularly without disturbing this portfolio. And second portfolio is, this is you need to invest 10,000 per month, or if we skip 2 months also, 1 lakh per annum. If you invest 1 lakh per annum, if you start in 2022, by end of 2023 you can invest 1 lakh. If we expect, I am reducing here, 35% returns per and CAGR, it will be 1,35,000 at the end of 2023. In this case, you have to add 50,000 extra. Additionally, you have to add 50,000 every year. In this case, you can achieve 1 crore in 10 years, because this will helpful for most of the small employees who are getting 25 to 30,000 per month salary. Here, if we add fresh investment of 1,50,000 plus returns of 1,35,000, it become 2,85,000. If we made into 35% returns, it will become almost 99,750. Total of 99,750 plus 2,85,000. It will become 3,84,000. Same like you have to add 50,000 every year additionally, so that it will become 2025 2 lakh, 2,50,000, 3 lakh, 3,50,000, like that. In 2032, finally you have to have 5,50,000. If you apply this formula, it will become 1 crore 15 lakh 69,202 rupees. If we exclude taxes and any uncircumstance, we can get easily 1 crore by end of 2032. For this, you have to follow few rules. As I said earlier, like that, you should not disturb your core portfolio by trading. I will tell you few rules for this. If you want to get rich, only option is stock market. This you should remember this. Second thing, because everybody can invest in stock market as per their savings ability, but other asset like real estate not possible invest everyone, because it's not possible. It's a illiquidity in real estate, and moreover you need lump sum amount of lakhs of rupees. In stock market you can invest with thousands, hundreds also. So stock market is for everyone. You should not disturb your core portfolio by doing intraday options trading. And I'm telling you that don't get tempted by trading profit screenshots shared by online, Twitter and YouTube videos, because trading in options is bad for wealth. Unless you have huge money. If you have huge money and trading skills, you can do intraday trading in options by learning trading skills. If you are a small investor, if you are earning 30,000, less than 30,000 per month, even 50,000 per month also, you should not do intraday trading options. It's a bad. Unless you have trading skills, it's not possible to achieve. I am telling you that just follow big people by investing long-term investment, so that you can make huge money. and I believe next 10 years belongs to India. We are going to see huge participation from lot of new investors in stock markets, and I am expecting so many changes going to happen. Just finally I would like to say that just believe India growth and invest as per your risk management. Thank you guys. This is the update from me for new year. Keep invest for long term. Happy new year once again.